always have time. How was the exhibition? Did you have a good exhibition last week?
Yeah, the exhibition is okay, and then I will follow the customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you have many visitors?
I have 300 person for the
Ah,
coming
okay.
to my booth. Yeah.
Oh, nice. So you are happy with that?
Yeah, I will follow them. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I think for this meeting, I have two presentations. I will show you a little bit about KATKO because many changes has happened. So I have a company presentation, and after that, I like to show you our channel partner program, where I would like you to join. And after that, we can have a general discussions. You might have some questions or something like that. Would that be a suitable agenda for you? Okay. So let me share my screen. This one here. And I will start with the company presentation. So you can see the presentation now. You can see it? Okay. So as you can see, we even have now different colors. So we have changed our image quite a lot. So just a little bit history and background what we are doing. So we are from Finland. We are a family-owned business, and we have over 80 years of experience in designing, manufacturing, and delivering load brake switches and isolators. Today we are having about 25 million euro turnover from switches. We have about 150 people working for us. Main factory and headquarters is in Helsinki, and then we have a second factory also in Poland. And we are selling our products in over 80 countries, and R&D is very important for us, so we put a lot of effort into the R&D with the new products. So this is how KATKO looks nowadays worldwide, and all these KATKOs, here is Finland up in the North Europe. Then we have a KATKO company in Sweden looking after Sweden. Then we have a KATKO company nowadays again in UK looking after UK and Ireland. And then KATKO company in Poland looking after Poland and the Eastern Europe areas. Then myself, I'm here in Dubai still. So KATKO company here looking after this burgundy color area, which is Middle East, Africa, Asia, where you belong to, and Australia, Oceania. We do have plans to have more KATKO companies in the future. We are planning to open one or two in Europe this year. Then my job is to open one company in Asia, which will probably be in Singapore. So the Singapore company will then look after the Asian market and Oceania, Australia. But that will be in the future. Nowadays it looks like this. Good markets for us, of course, is Europe, especially Nordic countries. UL, we have lots of new UL products, so US is a quite very good market for us. And what comes to my region, the Middle East, especially Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Arab Emirates is good. And we have been growing quite a lot in Singapore, and we have been in Australia for the last 30 years. So Australia is very big market for us. So that's a little bit about our history. So we started by two brothers. Kauko is my grandfather and his brother, so he started the first company in 1938. Already in 1940s, 50s, we started to manufacture switches, and the KATKO brand was created. So just cruising by, you see many things has happened over the years, but more we are now focused on a certain product range, which is the enclosed isolators, load break switches, enclosures, terminals, and cable connectors. New factory was opened in Finland 2021, and then already in Poland we have been since 2002. So these are these are our values, which are important for us, which means that we are very much present to our customers, and we do very seriously and very in detail the product manufacturing and everything. We have in Finland, we do our own product development and research. So all the products are designed in our headquarters in Finland. And as mentioned on the first slide, we put a lot of money into the product development to have new products. We will have something special coming out this year, end of this year, which I will tell you a bit later. So we work with the IEC committee, standardization. We work with the local and technical research centers and also with the technical universities. Our production is very automatized. So 2 factories, we have one main one in Finland, where we have about 100 people working, and in Poland, where we have about 30 people working. So in Finland, lots of automatic lines. We do plastic molding injections ourselves. We make the metal parts mainly in Poland, and the final assembly is automatic or semi-automatic in Finland. So all the products you are getting to Thailand are coming from our factory in Finland. So that is the key idea about our products. So as you know, we have lots of different enclosed isolators. The focus is and should be that you are offering a right product into the right application. So there are different customers, there are different industries. So the idea is that we find the right product in the right specific needs in every segment. These are the segments where we are selling our products. This can be a little bit different in which country we are, but mainly our channels, how we sell products into the market, are distributors or wholesalers, contractors, OEMs. Then we work a lot with the designers to get it specified on the projects, and then we are of course selling to many panel builders. So this distributor can mean like a partner, like you are, where you are importing the products from our factory and then you are reselling the products. So you could have like sub-distributors, you could have like a wholesalers, or you could sell directly to the contractors, OEMs, or factories, end users also. So these are the main industry segments where our products are used. Building and installation, of course, is very big. Ventilation and clean air systems. So that's also huge for every chiller, cooler, air conditioning unit will need one isolator. Our products are very industrial products. So we have very good technical ratings and so on. So they are very much suitable in industrial and harsh environment. For example, this year we launched IEC EX products. So not only ATEX, we also have IEC EX products. Then we have process industry, power distribution, and something on the renewable energy. So nowadays we have 4 different product categories what we are offering. So ISO-safe, I think that is the biggest. Again, it's depending a little bit in which market you are. But overall, I think enclosed isolators, we sell about 65% from our turnover. So it's a big range. You see some of the products in here, what we have. I will go a little bit more in detail on the next slide. Then the second one is load safe. So all load break switches, changeover switches, toggle switches. And in here on the load safe, we are going to launch 2 things this year. As you know, we go up to 800 amps at the moment. So we have been testing for quite some time now the next size up. So we will go 1250, also 1600 switch. So then we have the range from 16 to 1600, all our own switches. So that will be launched later this year. Same time, we have been also working with the automatic ATS automatic transfer switches and changeover switches. Well, we have motorized, we have manual changeover switches already, but we will have also motorized changeover switches. So ATS is a big new thing which we are going to launch later this year. And the third one is Connect Safe. So we have new range of polycarbonate ABS and recyclable plastic enclosures. We have now 7 different sizes. These are already on production. We are selling a lot. Plus we have terminal blocks, cable connectors for AC and DC range. Also UL-listed products are separately. And then the fourth one is Fuse Safe, where we are selling our switch fuses. This is the area which we are renewing a little bit, so we will have some new switch fuses later coming out. So regarding the ISO safe, I would say we have one of the biggest or most complete range available into the market. So we offer from 10 amps up to 1600 amps, 2-pole, 3-pole, 4-pole, 6-pole, 8-pole changeover switches. In plastic, we have polycarbonate and ABS. We also have this is side-operated ones or front-operated ones. And the plastic range, we can go up to 630 amps. We actually have a new product catalogs now available, download on our new website, which this information is there. So then it comes to the metal, we have die-cast aluminum, we have normal sheet steel, and then we have a big range of different 316 stainless steel enclosed isolator. As you can see in here, different handles, even stainless steel handles with the canopies, like for example in food and beverage industries, mining areas, cement quarries, something like that. Then we have special isolators like fire rated, the red color here, 200 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Celsius. And this here is a new IEC EX on zone 2021 on the dust area. So that's something ATEX is normally used in Europe, but now we also have a IEC EX products available. So all products have certificates. They are we have CB certificates, and we have been testing them in a different independent laboratories. So all have the latest test certificates. So yeah, inside these enclosed isolator, you have certain load break switches. We have in last few years, we have renewed our range quite a lot. So you can see here, this is our latest 16, 25, 32 and 40 amp switch. It's a direct handle. It can be used base mounted, DIN rail mounted, or we have a version like this, which is a very good product for the OEM customers, like front door mounted. It comes to the door and the terminals are reversed, so you can screw it from back. And it has a clip-on handle, very quick, easy to install product, something like this. So this can go up to 40 amps. This is 100, 160 amps. So only thing which we have still not renewed is 63 and 80 amps like this. So that will be next on the list. And then when we go up to 160, 200 amps, we have this visual contact load break switches where you can actually see if the switch is on or off. We are using recyclable plastic here. So for us sustainability and carbon footprint are very important things. So we have those calculated already as per the regulations. So this range now will be increased up to 1,600 amps this year. So I would say complete range, not only enclosed isolator to the project, but also a lot of products for the panel board builders, OEMs, and that kind of customer segments. Then we have the Connect Safe. So the new thing is enclosures. So this is designed by us. We actually did a lot of work with the Australians on this product. So it has a quarter turn screws. It has small holes here where you can put the cable tie for locking the lid. So you can actually hinge the lid. So that's patent. So you can have it with a gray cover, transparent cover, or we can have a completely black box also available. And then we have lots of terminals for aluminum and copper cables up to 300 square mil, and then cable connectors for if you need bigger size cables. So those are also in there. And then fuse safe, it's only up to 250. That will be something which will be renewed later on this year. So that's basically our short update what KATKO is doing and what kind of products we have nowadays. And do you have any questions, any comments on this, on the products? Anything new you see which is interesting? Hmm? Sorry? You say. Yeah. So the fuse safe is I think in some market they are still using fuses for the protection. Some market less and less. So our range has it's already designed quite long time ago. So we are working with a new range, but we might be first going with the J fuse to the UL. So we will maybe start from that. But still, we have the existing range up to 630 available. Even I said 250, so it is available. But we will at the moment we are working a lot with the 1,600 amps, and then we are working a lot with the automatic transfer switches. So those are the main thing which we are coming out this year. But sure, okay. So then the second thing which is very interesting or important for us, because we actually KATKO, we have a new strategy. So we have been investing a lot to the sales. We have new sales offices. We have hired a lot of salespeople. So we want to grow. We want to have a systematic growth. So one way to have a growth is that we really want to more focus working more with our partners. So that's why we created a partnership program last year, where we are inviting all our existing customers, existing partners like you are. Plus we want to have more. Our plan is to have channel partners about 100 all over the world this year. At the moment, we have about 30 agreements signed. So I will have a short presentation about that. And of course, we like to invite you to become our partner, official partnership through this channel partner program. So I have again a short presentation on this. So why we are introducing a channel partner is that we want to grow globally, and we want to have a more clear structured ideas what we are doing with our partners in every country. And in that way, we can have together systematic growth. We can have more plans, more reports, more reviews. And we want to do that for the long-term business. So we are building a collaborative network around the world. And this already started in last September, October. I have about 30 partners already joined this partnership. And as said, the plan is to get the number to 100. These are some ideas for you. What are the benefits for joining? But I think for joining this, you will get the best support from us. You will get the best prices. We will actually have a portal in our new website where channel partners can have some special things. So that's coming. So yeah, you are getting marketing and sales support, and you are getting growth, and you get the latest products, and you get technical and after sales support. We have our customer support team now in Finland. We have also built up that a lot. So Hanna is leading that, but she has now 5 customer service, 2 in technical and 3 in commercial. So that's also grown quite a lot. So what we are looking for is like we can together work more closely and find some gaps, some ideas where we can grow the business together in the long term. And there is also reducing the business risks. You have the rights to use our products, you have the pricing stability, and so those are the ideas what we have. So also this partnership, we call it KCPP, which is a KATKO Channel Partner Program. So we are having 4 different partner levels, depending how big your market share or how much you are buying or selling the products yearly. So these are the partner levels we have. So the highest one is the ultimate partner. The second one is essential distributor. Third one is qualified distributor, and then not the lowest, but also important, you are a distributor. So all these levels will get a certificate that you are official KATKO channel partner program partner for us. If for some reason some customer or partner are not choosing to join, then for example for project specification they need to get the certificate case by case from us. But when you are joining, you will get the overall certificate from us, whatever level you are. There are some qualifications and contribution, and there is also marketing support in euros. So we are giving euros back when you are promoting KATKO. Let's say, for example, last week you had the, was it ProBack Asia exhibition? So there's a certain cost for us, and I believe you at KATKO, they're also visible. So that's something which you are doing. You are promoting KATKO brand, KATKO products. So what comes to the qualification? When you are a distributor, there is no limitation for purchases, but we are still making already the agreement. So you are official. You will have a dedicated salesperson. At the moment, it's me, or it could be somebody from our customer service team. Later, you get CATCO training, and as I said, you get a certificate. But with the lowest, you are not getting any marketing support, so we cannot give you any euros back. But again, as we have done before with you, we can case by case look something if you have something happening, because for us, our CATCO brand is very important and we want to promote that as much as possible. Then the second one is qualified. So again, we do the same agreement, which I will send you after our meeting. So 100K is the minimum, or close to 100K, or you need to have a 5% market share. That 5% market share, you have to explain a little bit how you are calculating that. And then already we have a business plan and sales report. So these are like a one-page Excel where we are together studying and making business plan how you say get the business into the next level. And then sales report, we like to follow your sales, your customers a bit more, so we can maybe find some gaps, some ideas where we can sell more the products. And then you should also have some average stock value. So with this level, where I think we should aim now, we are also offering up to 1,000 euro marketing support calculated on your spend. So if you spend 4,000, you get 1,000 back. So that's how it's calculated. And then we have two higher levels, 10% market share, 20% market share, 1 million euros or 500k euro purchases, and then it goes up to 5,000 and 10,000 euros. More training, obviously, more our salespeople can come to visit you, and more marketing support depending on what level you are. So that's how we are doing this at the moment. As said, we only started last year, so there might be still some changes, but that's how it looks like now. And of course, we like to invite you to join this program. So these are the documents. So we have an official agreement. As said, I will send you that. So you need to check that and get it signed by official in your company and then send it back to us. Plus, we have one appendix where we are specifying the countries or the area where you are selling the products, which in my understanding will be Thailand. And then what products you are selling from us. And then if you want to have some deviations from the agreement, you can also add that into the appendix for the discussions. But as said, I already have 30 agreement and it's quite standard. So there hasn't been any deviations. But that's what we do. And then we have this business plan report, sales report, and on the highest level also we have the sustainability report. So we will start to follow also our partners, how their carbon print looks like, because that's something which is important in Europe. So that is our channel partner program. I think nothing so new, but I think the idea there is that we can work more close together, as also we are having more salespeople who don't have the history and the background, how we have been working for many years or tens of years. So eventually we will have some new people, and so this is a very good tool for them to work with the partners and find the ideas, find the gaps, and find the business areas, find the right, let's say, right products into the right application, which hopefully gets you then more sales. So that's what I have to show to you. So that's what KATKO is doing nowadays. So we are on the growth. Our strategy is to grow a lot more. We want to be 4 times bigger. And you are our distributor partner in Thailand. So we want, of course, that to be continued. And we want you to sign this agreement to make it more official. Then you are getting the best support and the best latest products and the best possible prices. And then the idea is to work more close together. So that's my presentation. Any questions? Any comments? Okay, so I will send you the information, the agreement by email. And if you can check that and then send it back to me. And then what comes to the business plan, then we can work that together. We are normally filling that up for the next year, like September, October. So that time we will look on that. And we like to know how we can support you more, how we are more able to help you to sell more the products. How is the sales going now with KATKO?
Again, please.
How are your sales going with KATKO at the moment?
I think
Any new customer?
a new I have the new customer, and then
Okay.
right now I will go to the the province from the is the is the southern is the is near Bangkok, and then I will take the sample for the IP69 to
Okay.
the customer to
Is it
taste.
food and
Yeah,
beverage? Okay,
for the
that's good.
customer.
Yeah.
And then the customer is the new is the new company for me, and then
Okay.
is the big factory.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
tomorrow
Nice.
I will go. Mhm.
Okay. Have you been visiting our new website?
New website at Atomic or your website.
I show you this. So we have a new website here. So here, if you go downloads, so here are the latest new catalogs. So for ISOSAFE catalog, if you download from here, so this is a new safety switch and isolator catalog. So you should, with your next order, we can put you some catalogs in, but also soft copies here. So this is all the latest products in here. So I think you should check that. We also have a new catalog for ISO safe, load safe, and also for the enclosures. So in here, we will have also a section for the channel partners. So then you can sign in. I think it will be somewhere in here. So it's coming. So you can sign in there, and then you have some other things also. But yeah, so we have changed our image. We have new colors. The logo is a little bit changed. So many new things are here on the websites to study. So I think you should check that also and get the latest catalogs from there.
Okay.
Are you going to do something on your own language? Your own language? Because I remember you used to have a KATKO catalog on Thai language.
I think I don't have the new catalog.
Yeah, so we can send you some with the delivery, but now with the soft copy. Soft copy there is on the our website.
Okay, I will. And
Is
then
there any this? Yeah.
You did not send to me, and then you did not have the catalog by the paper right now.
We have in Finland, yes.
Okay, the next time if I order to you, and then I will ask for that.
Yes, please. You can order now if you like.
Okay, I will, because I will send all your catalog to the customer, and then I will let you know later.
Yeah. The best would be that if you order some products, if you need some products also, so we can include the catalogs and not only send the catalogs.
Yeah.
So if you as soon as you can order, we can add some catalogs. Yes. So when you are ordering, please put their catalogs.
Okay.
So we know. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Anything else? Anything else I can help you or anything? All good?
No, I'm really appreciate that you join to me, and then you give for me the good training. Thank you very much for this time.
Thank you. And I hope to come to visit you later this year. Let's see how the schedule goes.
Okay, and you support to me. Thank you, Yane.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye bye.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.